just 30 seconds to install Enmoto. Rechargeable battery that once charged will dependably work up to 45 days or more than 500 times, automatically setting up. Supported by ropes from both sides of the car, Enmoto creates a solid protective shield. The anti-theft unbreakable cables keep it safe. Enmoto temperature control feature will also keep your car cool in hot weather. It's capable of dependably sustaining a temperature inside the car of up to 35 degrees lower than under the hot sun. Enmoto fits on any car, SUV, sedan, mini, Jeep, and even four-wheel beach vehicle. The soft surface of Enmoto is created to protect your car from scratches. Our innovative design also prevents unwanted damage from bird droppings, construction dust, and rain. Smart structure makes Enmoto portable. 4 adjustable ropes will protect your car from the wind up to 30 exclusively the way you want. Any color, any
Revive your windscreen wipers with ECOCUT Pro. Sun, cold and dirt cause windscreen wipers to age. This results in poor visibility. First, fold out the wipers and clean them thoroughly with a damp sponge. When using for the first time, select guide number 1 and slide it on the wiper lip. Pay attention to the direction of the arrow. Now slide the ECOCUT Pro along the whole wiper lip, applying even pressure. After trimming, clean the wiper lip again with a damp sponge. ECOCUT Pro can be used multiple times. Each windscreen wiper can be trimmed twice. Revive your windscreen wipers with ECOCUT Pro. Protects the environment and your wallet. Greater safety thanks to clear visibility. ECOCUT Pro.
Connected. Call from Matt. Answer.
Hi, it's Matt.
Hi, Matt. How are you? Send a text message to Matt. Let's have pizza tonight. I'll order on my way home.
Message recorded. Now would you like to send it, listen to it, or re-record it?
Send it.
Voice assist. You have a text from
Matt. Great. See you later.
End of text message. Would you like to reply, repeat the message, or call back?
Goodbye.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
Say a command. Phone command. Call Mom. Hello, Mom. I'm on my way home now. How are the kids?
Hello again, Navdy.
Fastest route found to Early Bird Cafe.
You and me, we're busy people. And being busy means checking your phone, even when you're not supposed to. Even when you're on the road. But now there's Navdy. Hold on, I gotta get this. Casey, talk to me.
Hey Adam, quick reminder. First thing today is that coffee with Connie and Greg at the Early Bird.
Already on my way. See, what's brilliant about Navdy is that...
Faster route found. Automatically rerouting to save 10 minutes.
Perfect. Never been this way before. Gonna switch to Navdy Dash. See, what's so brilliant about Navdy is its display is focused in the distance, so your eyes are never off the road. It's also 40 times brighter than your smartphone, and it dims automatically, so it's easy to see day or night. In fact, it works... Sorry, gotta take this one too.
Greg and I actually want to do Roy's Cafe out on 62, smiley face.
Oh, awesome. Luckily, Roy's is one of my favorites. Navdy uses Google Maps and built-in offline maps, so you'll never get lost, like out here in the desert. And it's connected to your car, which means that...
Low on gas. Rerouting to nearest gas station.
Text Connie, be there in 15.
You have arrived.
Thanks, Navdy. See you soon.
Car washing was a big trouble for many people. It is time-consuming, labor-consuming, and it cost money. Actually, that is not true once you have Norsure at hand. Norsure may be the world's first smart multifunctional car washing kit, making car washing easy, fast, and free of charge. The water source could be directly from a water bottle or external sources such as our foldable water bucket. It takes only 15 seconds to set up and 10 minutes to complete the car washing, saving 80% of the time. The cleaning process is neat and easy without making a mess. Norsure is very compact in size, but can be kept in the trunk for everyday use. No matter how wild your trip is, your car will always remain tidy. Norsure requires no external power. Get fully charged within 3 hours through USB charging port. Norsure could serve as a portable jump starter. It's also a power bank for your outdoor usage. It can also be used as a warning sign. Norsure has 3 preset modes for various situations. You can easily switch from the water spray gun to spray brush. Not just for the car washing. It's a multifunctional must-have kit for every car owners. With Norsure, you can save those money for an exotic trip that you well deserved. Norsure, one kit for every car owner.
To use the Beat It G18 portable jump starter, carefully connect the jumper cables to your car's battery posts, first red, then black. Then, attach the cables to the jump starter. Your car should start now. Remove the cables from your battery, then the jump starter. Finally, detach the cables from the jump starter.
The Beat It G18 jump starter features 2,000 amps of power and a 21,000 mAh battery, powerful enough to jumpstart up to 8-liter vehicles.
3 USB ports and 2A wireless Qi charging keep your mobile devices powered up in any situation.
A built-in flashlight features 4 lighting modes, including SOS and strobe for emergencies. With the Beat It G18, you can jumpstart your own car quickly and safely, even in bad weather conditions. Visit Beat It on Facebook for exclusive access to our latest updates, free products, and prizes. Still on the fence? You can also find tons of reviews for our products to see what real Beat It users just like you think about us. Feel free to get in touch with any questions you have. To find us, just search Beat It in the search bar.
Introducing the Waylens Secure 360 4G, a breakthrough in automotive security. This innovative system utilizes dashcam features while you're driving and activates advanced security sensors when parked. With an amazing single lens, Secure 360 produces a true 360-degree field of view, capturing everything going on inside and outside your vehicle. So here's how it works. Secure 360 actively scans the perimeter of your vehicle using a suite of advanced low-power sensors. When motion or impact is detected, the camera will immediately record video to the micro SD card. High-speed 4G data delivers real-time alerts and live streaming through the Secure 360 mobile app, so you'll see the full story as it unfolds. Automatic uploading of the event video to the cloud keeps evidence secure, even if the camera is stolen or disabled. The Secure 360 is designed for any vehicle and every driver, from the daily commuter, rideshare services, or families with young drivers. With the Secure 360, you can document an accident, locate your car quickly with a GPS map, preserve your driving record, or catch a thief in the act. So even if this happens, you'll have evidence to provide authorities and your insurance company. Protect your vehicle with the Waylens Secure 360.